Today I'm going to prepare mango pudding. For that I need 1.5 cup of mangoes. I have chopped them into pieces. Some unsweetened coconut flakes for garnish. And 1/2 cup of milk. You can use whole milk or toned milk. I also have some chia squeeze with me. Some maple syrup. In the blender, I will add chopped mangoes and also the maple syrup. Now I will blend it. Now to it, I will add milk and I will again blend it. It's almost done. We can open the lid and see. Here it's thick. Our mangoes are almost done as we have blended them in the blender. Now we are serving it. So I will put the mango pudding in the glass. And now I will add some chia mango coconut. So start putting from the corners so that there will be a layer formed. Now I will again put the mangoes very gently top of it. I will put some mangoes on the top and we'll garnish it with some coconut flakes. So you can see that it's almost done and it's looking super delicious. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe if you like my video.